What's poppin', what's poppin'? Welcome back to the Nick Mo Photos Moto Vlog. Man, it seems like it's been forever. It actually has. It's been over 124 days since the last time I posted a video. A lot has been happening. Got married, moved, got my dream garage, and finally we got a motorcycle lift. We're gonna shoot a quick time lapse, and we're gonna go ahead, unveil, and then review the lift. So, just got the Road King on the lift. Whew. I'm so grateful for. So that was a quick time lapse of putting this lift together. Really easy. All you gotta do is take it out of the box, set it up. You've seen the video where I was drilling into the base of the platform to mount the wheel chock. That wheel chock is money. Also, the tie-down straps provide great support. Let's take a deeper look here. So we got the V-Glot on here. As you can tell, we did a little bit of work to it. We took off the front fender, took off the nacelle, aux lights. Coming on down, we took out the floorboards, took off the side panels, took off all the kind of jewelry that we needed to kind of just get off to kind of see exactly what condition the bike is in. Bike's in really good condition, low mileage. I think we got 12,000 miles on it right now. It's original 01, carbureted. There you go right there. Definitely thinking of upgrading the carb. But one of the things I'm super grateful for having a lift, wouldn't have been able to see it otherwise, is right here. If you look right there, that's dry rot throughout the entire tire. That would not have been caught if it wasn't up on the lift. So super grateful for that, because that would have sucked having this blown out while you're riding. Rear wheel's in good shape. However, I'm that dude with two different wheels. That's coming though. We're getting a DNA 16-inch fat spoke for the rear. Also reaching out to a company in Cali that has a 1-for-1 swap. I believe it's called Willie G's. I'm gonna be reaching out to them in a couple days, and we're gonna get this bad boy, do a little swap. They triple dip it in chrome out there. It's gonna be money. Also, the rear, we're gonna be doing air ride here, getting rid of these regular shocks, going with air ride. Looking at a couple companies now. Also, there is a gentleman out in California, found him on Instagram, that he stretches the factory fenders. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stretch the rear 6 inches to come even with the bags. And then the front, we're gonna get it extended 4 inches to accommodate that 21, because right now it just seems a little short, as you can see in some of the pictures. But what we'll do, we'll drop that down here with a little tail end. Also, voltage regulator, we're gonna get a chrome cover for that. It's gonna be a while before I ride her again, but super excited to get this work done. And in the meantime, we got the Softail Slim, and we got the Indian RoadMaster. And if you're wondering why my trash cans are in the garage, this is actually during Hurricane Idalia. But some more content to come. Also, if you need leather saddlebags, hit me up, I'll give you a good deal.